All right, hey guys, welcome back to Detailing with Chad. This is going to be our second video, and you guys seem to like the first video. Got a lot more views than I was expecting for the first video of the channel. So, this is not going to be another comparison video. It's going to be more of a what to buy for cleaning your interior. I was just in Walmart the other day, and I had a guy literally ask me what I use to clean my interior. He didn't know what to pick. There's so many different options out there. And I asked him, well, how bad is it? Is it you just want to wipe it down? Is it just dusty? Do you clean it every week? Do you have kids that's got stuff spilled all over it? Is it nasty? Is it, just try and figure out, because if it's really bad, you're going to want something a little stronger. If it's something that you clean every week and you keep it clean and you keep it swept out and you just want to wipe the dust off and maybe put a layer of protection on it, you just use a regular interior detailer. But if it's really bad and you got gooey stuff on it, trying to get some heavier dirts off of it, maybe something got spilt in the cup holders, you're going to want more of an interior all-purpose cleaner, something a little bit heavier. But then you also have something like this that Chemical Guys makes. I'm not a big fan of Chemical Guys. I get a lot of Chemical Guys because my kids like to buy me detailing stuff. They know I love to clean cars. So they buy me a lot for birthdays, holidays, Christmas, and for some reason they always buy Chemical Guys. Probably because it looks the best sitting on the shelf at Walmart. But this Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, I love it. I see TikTok videos and stuff on how bad it is. It's not the best cleaner, and it's not the best detailer, but it's the best all-in-one. You can literally use this on absolutely everything. Glass, nav screens, leather, vinyl, dashboards. You don't have to worry about it. You spray it on a rag, you wipe the whole car down. It's clean. You also have an interior detailer. This is a Jay Leno's. I'm not a big fan of this product itself, but it does work. It says interior cleaner and protectant, safe for all interior surfaces. It is safe for LCD and navigation screens also. Special UV inhibitors. Our interior detailer helps to guard against the harmful effects of the sun. In my opinion, most of your detailers are more for protecting and giving you that nice little shine. They don't do very well cleaning. Yes, anything wet's going to wipe up the dust. Now, I also have an interior cleaner by Suds Lab. Like I said, these are not comparison videos. It's just what would you want to use to clean your car, on how bad is it. So this is more, oh my God, I don't know what that was, but holy cow. This is effective on leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, and fabric. So you can use this cleaner fabrics and stuff too. Leaves a fresh and clean scent. Fast acting all-purpose cleaner. But it does say do not use on suede surfaces or electronics. So you gotta be a little more careful with this. This is more or less just for plastic and vinyls and maybe some stains in the carpet. This will do a lot more deep cleaning. But if you have a car that you clean every single week and you just wipe it down, you can't go wrong with this. It looks amazing when it's done. It does a pretty good job at cleaning. Now, is it going to get all the sticky stuff and everything off? It will, but it's going to take a lot of product. But if you're going to wipe your car down every week and you just want something that this has the protectant in it, it does. This here does what both of these do together. In my opinion, you're going to use this to clean it, and you're going to go back over top of it with this to protect it, right? You want to protect it from the UVs, the sun. The sun just destroys plastic in cars. So I set up pulled this off this old 2003 Buick behind me. It's one of the plastic trim pieces. It's pretty rough. It's old. It's abused. It's my work car where I drive back and forth to work. You can see it's got some dirt and grime in it. And we're not going to scrub. We're just going to spray all three of these products on it. We're going to use these Suds Labs little pads, interior pads. These things are absolutely amazing. I love these things. For $5 at Walmart, for a 2-pack, that's a little bit of a rougher side here, softer, kind of like an applicator on that side. I love these things for interior detailing. So, first one we're going to use is, we'll do a total interior cleaner. I got 3 separate pads. Always shake your products. Now the Suds Lab, you can dilute it. It does say you can dilute it down, but we're going to use it at full strength. Spray some on here. You can see it took off quite a bit of dirt. Take a rag, wipe it off. It comes pretty clean. Got a couple little spots in it, but for the most part, pretty shiny. Now, we will use two chemical guys. Shake her up. Spray a little bit on here. Now, once you get this pad wet, you don't need quite as much. You can see, it took off a lot of dirt. But also remember, this is also protecting it. The Suds Lab, you're going to have to go back over it with the detailer or something to give it a protection. It'll come pretty clean. That, I'll be honest with you, that did just as well as the Suds Labs did. Now, for the last one, we're going to use some J. Leno's. Well, this is just the interior cleaner, just the detailer. Shake your products, spray a little bit on there. Yeah, you can see it didn't pulled a little bit off the top. For the same effort, the same time, the same, I tried to keep it as close as possible. All right, now you can see clear as day. The Suds Lab did a lot deeper cleaning. Chemical guys did pretty good. And this is still cleaned a little bit, but not, it's kind of hard to catch on camera. I can really see it out here, the different shades of those two. But this definitely did a lot deeper clean than what the other two did. But it's supposed to. It is an all-purpose interior cleaner. This chemical guys is both. And this is just basically to give it a shine and a protection. But remember, if you use the interior cleaner, you still have to go back over top of it with something else. So if you're using this, it's a two-step. A one-step and a one-step. Or the second step to your first one, however you want to put it. So, in my opinion, it comes down to what you're cleaning and how bad it is to clean it. Right? I mean, if you're just taking a dusting off and you want a little, you got a little bit to clean, maybe there's one or two spots on the dash that needs a little bit of scrubbing, then I'm not saying use chemical, guys, but use an all-around interior cleaner. One that cleans, one that protects. If you got something heavier and you really need to get cleaning, I'm not saying use Suds Lab, but use an all interior cleaner, purposely made to clean just the interior. Chemical Guys makes one that's just a cleaner. Adams makes one at Walmart that's just a cleaner. McGuire's, actually all I've seen from them is just their interior detailer. Turtle Wax makes them. So it really comes down to what you want to use. But this video come from a guy asked me what to use to clean his interior. And this is for the guy that just goes to Walmart. Do they make a lot better ones out there? Obviously. I'm not a professional detailer. I like to do this on the side. I do it on the weekends. I enjoy doing it. I love taking something that's completely dirty or nasty and transforming it into something new again. But I do recommend this. If you clean your car every single week, or you don't drive your car very often and you're just getting the dust out of it, the way this looks, the shine it's more of a matte finish, but it will clean and it will protect it. Now, if you use an all-purpose cleaner of any type, make sure you go back over it with a detailing it. I'm sorry, an interior detailer, something that has UV protection in it. I'm not a big fan of this. This seems to be a little sticky, and I don't like that. But like I said, other people make them too. So that being said, this wasn't a comparison video of what to buy at your local store as much as it is to what to use on the type of you're cleaning. So that being said, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know. Let me know if there's a specific video you want. I am going to put this up against the fabric cleaner to see, are you better off buying a fabric cleaner, or will Suds Lab do it? So that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for liking. Please subscribe, and I will see you very shortly in the next video.